Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Rock over-ear Bluetooth wireless headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones will not connect to Bluetooth, if they're not pairing or syncing with your device, if they keep disconnecting, or if you're having any kind of sound issues or functionality issues, we can fix a lot of these problems with a hard reset. You will need to set them up again and repair them with whatever device you had them on because it will forget all of your pairing history, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to clear everything out and get a fresh start pairing them with a new device, this will make them forget everything they've been paired with in the past. And it's real easy to do. We just want to come over here and with our headphones powered on, we're going to find the volume up and the volume down buttons, and we're just going to press and hold both of those simultaneously for 5 seconds. After those 5 seconds, we will get a blink out of the headphones and they will be reset to factory default settings.